You can see the storyline is about a person going to Walmart, and in order to go into a Walmart, obviously we're in the COVID era, he can't get into entrance. Why is that? Because he's not wearing a mask. So if you press M, there you go, he's got a mask on now. And it is done through, well, basically I have multiple scenes for this code, and this is the first scene. I label this as outside. Okay, it is all controlled with this app location here at the top. Now you can see that it's outside here, and whenever a certain requirement is fulfilled, that will change. The first requirement will be him wearing a mask and being within the frame of the door. Boom, now you're inside. So here you can see that social distancing is very strictly enforced. That stranger there definitely knows the rules.
Facts about COVID and like wearing a mask and stuff. And then you can click different keys to play the little game. And then L to clear the.
Is that the virus?
Yes, sir. And you press
looks
L.
like a virus.
Yeah, you press L to clear the kills, and then A to go back for the facts. Yeah.
The game takes place in the mess hall. It doesn't look like it, but it does. Ryan was being a bad cadet and skipped mess. But luckily for him, COVID was spreading while he was staying safe in the barracks, and now it's up to him to save the academy.
No pressure.
So, and I lost. Well, I lost quickly. But you get multiple lives.
Who's the Karen? Who's the male Karen?
So the Karen is this pink COVID person trying to infect you. All these little guys are COVID, and these are lines of infection. You've got to dodge the lines to win the game.
You're really good at this.
See, if you stay still, they can't hurt you. But
Point out who you're at.
if you move, they can hurt you. If you're in the mask, the mask is considered a safe zone, and they cannot touch you while you're inside of the mask.
Are you in the mask now?
No, I'm collecting Germex. Your goal
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Your goal of the final game is to collect the 4 pillars of sanitary lifestyle to unlock the vaccine, which will save the remaining cadets.
That's the aim of the game. Saving people. So every time you click this, you save one person. So there's a shop, right? And you can buy things that will save more people. And so you want the spray bottle. It's cost 100 people save. So you click that.
Get some Lysol. You
And
should
then-
have Lysol in there. You can't get it
Oh
anywhere.
yeah, I can do that. And then you have your spray bottle. So before, when you clicked it, it was one person. So now when you click it,
Oh.
it's 5 people. I don't
That's
know.
good.
I don't know. I don't know how to click it. But that's what I have for now.
That I got it to where you click, it shoots, and you can shoot destroy some of these, but as you saw, I couldn't destroy one of those, like that one. And
Oh, you're killing virus?
yes, but like some of them, they're like invincible, so like I can't destroy, like that one, right, like those two right there, I can destroy.
Is that a special kind?
You could say that. Yeah.
The canvas is pretty small. It's only 400 by 400. I wish you could make it bigger, like have like a bigger canvas. And then I realized, well, you can have things outside the canvas. So what if you just moved things that are outside into it? So I did that. So I made it, whenever you hold down a key, it actually moves everything in that direction. So it gives the idea that it's actually just appearing on the canvas. So you can kind of walk around. You can use either the arrow keys or WASD, whatever you prefer. In these buildings, you can't walk into them, or you can't walk through walls, so that's fancy. This is the basic layout so far, so you're getting like a sneak peek of what's to come.
This is SpongeBob. When you click on the wear mask, he wears a mask. Pretty simple stuff.
Stay 6 feet. Got this over there. Get tested. Cause he has that up his nose.
That's the quick test.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I still gotta work on this one
Back
though.
end
I still gotta work
is
on this
good.
one.